Good morning, students. In the last class, I teach you about comparing quantities, right? Today, I will teach you a new topic, that is how to make any 4-digit number a greatest one and the smallest one. Okay? So, if I write any 4-digit number, 9, 4, 3, 1. Okay, so here I wrote 4 digits. Okay, now with the help of these 4 digits, you have to make a greatest one, a greatest number, and the smallest number. Okay, so remember, while writing the greatest one, we will always start from the greatest number. Okay, so as you can see here, 4 numbers are there: 9, 4, 3 and 1, right? So here 9 is the greatest one. Okay, so first of all we'll write 9. After 9, which number is the greatest one? 4. After 4, which number is the greatest one? 3. After 3, which number is the greatest one? 1. That means 9431 is the greatest number that we made from these 4 digits. Okay, now how we can make a small digit number, a smallest number with these digits? So while writing or while making the smallest number, we will always proceed to the from the smallest one. Okay, we'll choose the smallest number first. So here you can see 1 is the smallest one. After 1, the number that is greater than 1, it will be what? 3. So after 3, the number that will be greater than 3, it will be what? 4. After 4, the number that is greater than 4, it will be 9. Okay, so 1349 is the smallest number. Okay, that we made it from this 4 digit that are given here. Okay, so one more example I will give you. Suppose 1903. Okay, so here again I wrote 4 digits. So 1 is there, 9 is there, 0 is there, and 3 is there. So while writing the greatest one, if I want to make a greatest number, so from which number we will start? We'll start from the greatest one. So here 9 is the greatest number. After 9, which is the smallest one? That means the number that is smaller than 9. It will be 3. Okay, remember, while writing the greatest number and the smallest number, okay, we have to arrange the digits. Okay, so here in case of greatest number, we will proceed from big to small. Okay, that means in a descending order we will arrange those digits. Okay, but in case of smallest number, while writing the smallest one, we'll proceed from small to big. Okay, as like in the ascending order. These things we already did, right? So 9, then 3, then the number which is smaller than 3, it will be 1, and the number that is smaller than 1, it will be 0. Okay, this is the greatest number. Now let's write the smallest one. So while writing the smallest one, we'll proceed from where? From small to big, right? Smallest, small. So we'll start from the smallest one. So as you can see, 0 is the smallest number. Okay, so if I write 0, then 1, then 3, then 9. Okay, so if I write 0 at the beginning, okay, this will become 3-digit number. It will not the 4-digit one. Okay, because if a 0 placed in front of any number, okay, there is no use. Okay, so this number is what? 3-digit, but we have to make what? 4-digit. That's why if 0 is there, okay, we'll always place 0 in 100 place. Okay, as you can see, 0 is in 1000 place, so we'll not put 0 in 1000 place, we will put 0 in 100 place. So our number will be what? 1039. Okay, this is how you have to make a greatest number and a smallest number, okay, with the digits. So remember, while writing the greatest number, we will arrange the digit from big to small. Okay, the biggest number we will place first, then the smallest one. And while writing the smallest number, we'll arrange the digits. Okay, we'll arrange the digits from small to big. Okay, I hope you have understood how we can make any number, okay, a greatest one and a smallest one. Okay, so now let's do the exercise. Okay students, so as you can see, exercise 5 of page number 76, you just see. So the question is what? Use the given digits. So you have to use the digit to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. So whatever the number we will make, it should or it must have 4 digits. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, first one. So the digits are what? 4, 3, 7 and 1, right? So while making the greatest number, what I said, you have to arrange the digits from big to small. Okay, so here the biggest digit is what? 7, right? After 7, you just arrange it to the lowest one, to the smallest one. It will be 4, then 3, then 1. Okay, as you can see here, the digit, it starts from big to small. Okay, so this one is what? Your greatest 4-digit number for A, question number A. Okay, now how we can make the smallest number? So we'll start from the smallest one. Okay, because in smallest number we will arrange the digit from small to big. So first of all, we will arrange, or we will write 1, then 3, then 4, then 7. Okay, this one is what? The smallest number. Okay, with these digits. Okay students, let's do now C part. So here also 4 different digits are given, 6, 5, 0, 9. So first of all, we have to make greatest 4-digit number. 4-digit number means having 4 numbers, okay, and the smallest one. So while writing the greatest number, we'll start from what? The greatest one, right? Then we'll proceed to the smallest one. So here, as you can see, 9 is the greatest number. After 9, 6 is there. After 6, 5 is there, and then 0. We can put 0 at the end, okay, but we can't put 0 at the beginning of any number. Okay, now this will be what? The greatest 4-digit number having 4 digits, and this number is what? 9650. Now we will make smallest 4-digit number. So while writing the smallest number, we'll start from the smallest one. So as you can see here, 0 is the smallest one, but yeah, what we know that we can't put 0 at the beginning, right? So first of all, we will not start from this, we'll start from this number. So we'll write 5, then we can put 0, then 6, then 9. As you can see, it also starts from the smallest one and then it just goes to the greatest one. Okay, this is how you have to make smallest and greatest 4-digit number. I hope you have understood how we can make greatest number and smallest number. Okay, so C and D will be your homework, or I can say classwork for you, not a homework. So you will do this one now in your copy, classwork copy. Okay, now you have to do C and D in your classwork copy. So that's all. In our next class, we will discuss about odd and even numbers. Okay, which numbers, what are the numbers that are odd number, what are the numbers that are even, we will discuss this one. Okay.